At Pure Climate Heating and Cooling, we understand that your comfort depends on a reliable HVAC system, and when it fails, you need a team you can trust. Since 2019, homeowners and businesses across Downers Grove, Hinsdale, and Western Springs have counted on us for honest, professional HVAC repair and maintenance done right. When you call Pure Climate Heating and Cooling for HVAC repair in Downers Grove IL, you can expect certified professionals who take the time to diagnose the issue correctly the first time. We don't rely on guesswork or temporary fixes. Instead, we use advanced diagnostic tools and years of experience to identify the true cause of the problem. Whether your air conditioner isn't cooling properly or your furnace isn't keeping up on cold days, we provide lasting repairs that restore comfort and efficiency. Each service begins with clear communication and transparent pricing. No hidden fees, no upselling, just solutions that make sense for your home. Our technicians are NATE certified and continually trained on the latest systems and technologies. That means you benefit from industry-leading expertise on every job. From high-efficiency heat pumps to traditional central air systems, we've seen it all and we know how to get it running like new again. We also take pride in our preventive approach. Through scheduled tune-ups and performance checks, we help homeowners avoid costly breakdowns and extend equipment life. Many of our clients in Downers Grove started with a one-time repair and now rely on us for ongoing maintenance that keeps their systems operating at peak performance. At Pure Climate, we believe transparency builds trust. Our customers appreciate that we explain what we find and why it matters. You'll never be left wondering what's happening with your system. We walk you through every step. That commitment to honesty has earned us over 300 5-star reviews and a 4.9-star Google rating from local homeowners who value quality, reliability, and respect. We also understand that HVAC problems don't happen on your schedule. That's why our team responds quickly during normal business hours to restore comfort as soon as possible. We respect your time, and we're proud to offer efficient scheduling, prompt arrivals, and professional results every time. Technology is another cornerstone of what makes Pure Climate different. We use smart diagnostic systems, thermal imaging, and airflow testing to ensure repairs aren't just done, they're done right. If your equipment is nearing the end of its life, we'll help you explore energy-efficient upgrade options that can reduce your monthly bills and improve indoor comfort. We're not here to sell, we're here to guide. Our role is to give you the information you need to make confident decisions about your home's comfort system. Our work doesn't stop at residential repair. We also serve commercial clients throughout Downers Grove and the western suburbs. From small offices to large facilities, we design maintenance plans that prevent downtime and protect productivity. Local business owners trust Pure Climate because we deliver responsive service, clear communication, and measurable efficiency improvements. By combining precision repair with proactive maintenance, we help businesses control costs and maintain consistent comfort for employees and customers alike. Pure Climate Heating and Cooling is built on community values. We actively support local events and organizations across DuPage County, reinvesting in the same neighborhoods where we work and live. That commitment to community is one of the many reasons homeowners choose us. They know we'll be here long after the repair is complete. When you work with us, you're partnering with a company that values long-term relationships and stands behind every job we perform. At the heart of our success is a simple promise: do the job right every time. We believe integrity and craftsmanship go hand in hand. Our team treats every home with respect, protecting floors, cleaning up after the job, and ensuring everything runs flawlessly before we leave. It's that attention to detail that keeps our clients calling us year after year. So if your HVAC system isn't keeping up, making strange noises, or driving up your energy bills, let the professionals at Pure Climate Heating and Cooling bring it back to peak performance. Experience the difference of working with Downers Grove's trusted HVAC experts. Call 708-707-5469 or visit pureclimatile.com to schedule your HVAC repair today. Pure Climate Heating and Cooling, where honesty, expertise, and comfort come together for your home and business.